I think everyone is aware that water is essential for life, but we think of water more as the glue of society. You can't have cities without water, you can't have universities without water. These tunnels have been here at UWA since day one, so they were essentially part of the water supply system. They have been restored. Now I'm so excited because we can take students down there.
Hey guys, we're launching the Hidden Tunnel Tours here at UWA, and we've got Professor Anas who's going to give us a tour. Come on, let's check it out.
All right guys, so this is the entrance. It's the big moment. Safety first, lights on. We're getting in. This is the first step. Just mind your step. All right, so I'll go first. So I'm going to turn this way. It's safer this way. And you go like this, and then you lower your foot. And we are now exactly in the Winthrop Hall. And it was designed this way so that it gives it a central location for all the maintenance work. Oh, this is actually the roots of the big giant trees on campus who are finding their way to this good water.
I thought the tour was amazing. It's basically like having a secret world down there. People have always said UWA is a bit like Hogwarts, and now that's even more the case. The reflection pond, the Reed Library, St. George's Fountain, those need to be supplied with water. But in the early days, you had to create a tunnel system to actually make sure that that supply works.
Hey guys, coming to you from the tunnels under Winthrop, and we just had a tour with Professor AG. We're so excited that these tunnels are being opened up here in campus and for the tours so that everyone can check it out as well. So this is the first time that the tour has actually been open to students and public. Be sure to register now so you don't miss out on your spot.